Why protein matters for your body.
Protein is an essential nutrient that powers countless functions in your body. It's a critical building block for muscles, enzymes, hormones, and immune cells. Without enough protein, your body wouldn't be able to repair tissues, grow, or maintain good health. Understanding how your body breaks down and uses protein helps you make better choices for nutrition and overall wellness.
Step 1. Protein begins breaking down in your stomach.
The journey of dietary protein starts in your stomach. When you eat protein-rich foods, stomach acid and an enzyme called pepsin start breaking large protein molecules into smaller chains called peptides. This acidic environment is crucial for unraveling the tightly packed structure of proteins, making them easier for your body to digest.
Step 2. Further breakdown in the small intestine.
Next, the partially digested proteins move to your small intestine. Here, the pancreas releases enzymes called proteases. These enzymes continue breaking peptides down into even smaller pieces called amino acids. The lining of your small intestine is specially equipped to absorb these tiny building blocks efficiently.
Step 3. Absorption and transport in the body.
Once reduced to amino acids, proteins are ready for absorption. The cells lining your small intestine actively transport amino acids into the bloodstream. From there, these amino acids travel throughout your body and are delivered to tissues and organs that need them for growth, repair, and important cellular processes.
How your body uses amino acids.
Your body doesn't store amino acids, so it uses them right away. Amino acids are combined in specific ways to make new proteins, which support muscle maintenance, create vital enzymes, and help build hormones and immune cells. In times of need, your body can even convert amino acids into energy, showing just how versatile these building blocks are.
The big picture: why protein digestion is essential.
Proper protein digestion and absorption are vital for health. Without this step-by-step process, your body couldn't access the amino acids it needs to function properly. Eating enough high-quality protein each day helps maintain muscle mass, supports metabolism, and keeps your immune system strong, making it an essential part of a balanced diet.